used as a tripod and extended, and I'm going to extend the handle of this bag to turn it into a tripod. So for that purpose, I'm going to use this clamp that is holding the camera. This is a string loaded clamp with a gooseneck and a 360 camera at the top. And this 360 camera is a Kodak Pix Pro Orbit 4K camera, and it has the front lens and the rear lens, and I'm going to attach it to the handle here so I can ride it along with my backpack. So I'm going to open the clamp and attach it to the handle. And I can attach it in two positions, and I'm going to choose one position over the other, and then adjust the gooseneck so it is perpendicular to the ground. Turn it around a bit, and now I'm ready to go. I can further reinforce it by a Velcro. So I'm going to lower the trajectory of my phone so it is filming downwards as I demonstrate how I extend the Velcro strap that is attached. Here I have a bag with additional batteries, and I want to attach the clamp to the handle so I can rest assured that it won't kind of move on its own during the filming. And I have multiple Velcro straps, which I'm going to use only one just to demonstrate how you can tighten it up so it doesn't move around out of control. So I tighten it around the handle, reinforcing the position, its current position. And at this point, I'm ready to rumble, go outside, and do the job that I'm planning to do. So for now, I'm planning on going outside. I'm going to stop all the current recording and update everything. First of all, I'm going to stop or maybe I should first stop the PSAR problem step recorder and update it. So I'm going to click the stop button, and I'm going to turn the 360 camera sideways so it can, the primary lens is shooting the screen, or if it's filming the screen. I'm going to press the stop button to stop recording, then the save button, and then I'm going to create version B, excuse me. So I'm going to focus the cursor on the letter A and replace it by the letter B, then delete the A. So this will be version B, and the current time is 9:31. So I want to update the current time so it reads 9.31, which reflects the current time of 9:31 a.m. or 9:32 a.m. So now I got a new version, and most importantly, I want to add the second video file name that I just created. So two of the video file name with Control V pasted into the current file name, so there are now two video file names that represent this session. So this is the audit trail, a video audit trail, plus the PSAR problem step recorder audit trail. At this point, I'm going to review again. The path is pshar.txt, and I may not need to add that because it's already saying that this is a zip type of file, so I'm going to just copy to the clipboard buffer, then save the new version, and you see that we have specified an invalid output file name. So I say okay, and let's see why it is invalid. I click it again, then I want to place the previous file name that says that it was invalid, find what is invalid about it and correct it. So I'm going to review it again. I'm looking for some character that spooked Windows, and I'll also shorten it. So I'll cut out the 360, the sun protection. Maybe it is just too long for the machine to handle it. And now review it yet again and see why does it not, what are other reasons that it may not reject this file name. And now try to click save again. And now it worked. And you see the message received file. So sometimes the messages that Windows 11 and pshar.txt gives are incorrect. Now I want to review the additional details. The problem was that the file was too long when I added the string of the second video file name. Now I scrolled down to see that the entire process was 28 steps. The last step being step number 28, and the step before it was number 27. As I start a new recording, I'm going to add a comment with the previous pshar.txt file name and paste it into the dialog box, and then hit the return key and click OK. And then I'm going to go to my notepad and edit paste it in the notepad. So I have, and then file save. So I have my notes of everything that expired. Finally, I'm going to stop again the recording. So I'm stopping first the webcam max. Double click it to examine the quality. And a new screen recording. And it works fine. Screen. So I X out of it. Yep. Then go to the MSN Recorder Max. Stop its recording. No, don't upload it. And then click playback and see. And then paste it in my notes. Edit, paste, and this is another file name. So this is perfect. I'm going to exit out of it by pressing the X. Video file name. And finish with that. Now I'm ready to go out and do the job. So I can turn off all the lights. And go outside to continue the job. For that purpose, I need to carry a few things to the yard. I'll start with a 360 camera and place it outside, and then bring some more equipment out so I can work outside. set up my dummy in front here, leaning against this umbrella. Good enough. Get it to stand up. Stand upright. Separate this